Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday again. Today we're going to teach a move called the Gravedigger. This is a dip. It's fairly simple. It can be a little dangerous though. So we'll do it quickly, then we'll walk you guys through it, and we'll do it normal speed again, and that'll be good. So. Alright, so pretty simple. So let's do this one so they can see. You're going to start in your regular hand hold, and you're going to do what's called a backhand slide right. So the guy is going to step across the girl, that's your right shoulder. So across the girl, she's going to slide behind your back, and you're going to grab right hands. But you're going to grab, and this is essential so you don't fall, you're going to grab with both your thumbs up. Like your
arm wrestling.
Yeah, like your arm wrestling. There you go. So let's do it again. So backhand slide right, pretty easy. You step across, grab like your arm wrestling. Now, you might have to reposition yourself as the guy, so you kind of have to step beside her so you're at like kind of a right angle with each other. And you're going to have your arm, I guess, across in front of her chest. And she's going to grab right below your elbow. Okay? So on your forearm. I like to have my arm kind of at like a little more than an 80-degree angle here. So like 100, 120. And then, so she's gonna grab you, and then in one kind of big motion, well, let's give me your leg first. So you're gonna grab her inside leg. This is important. If you do the outside leg, it's a different move, and you're gonna be off balance. It's gonna be kind of weird. So make sure you grab her leg that's on the inside with you. You're gonna grab palm facing up, just inside her knee. And then she's gonna jump. Okay. Swing her leg up, come back down. So the danger with this one is she hits her head on the floor. So luckily she was kind of short, and I'm a little taller, so it's not that bad at all. But there are times when a girl can hit her head on the floor, so just be conscious of height differences, how high you need to hold her up. Maybe it's not the right move for you if your heights aren't, the best.
And watch your hair, because I've had my hair stepped on and ripped out, so just watch your hair.
Yeah, watch your, and the fact of like going down quickly and coming back up quickly, it can sweep like underneath. I've had that happen, a different move, but sweep underneath my foot and then comes back up and kind of tears on it too. So just be careful with your hair, girls. Anything else? I think it's pretty simple. You can throw it, you can combine it with a lot of different moves too, and do it pretty quickly. So yeah, we'll do it one more time for you guys.